Go to the corner now.
I don't want to go to the corner. Teacher, please forgive me.
Hey Kai, today I'm a teacher and my mommy at a student. Kai said lesson. Was it a toy?
Teacher, A is for apple.
No, A, Apple Mountain.
A is for mountain?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, teacher. I'm sorry, teacher, but that's not correct.
Let's do this one more time. Let's do this. Repeat it. What is that? Boy?
That's letter A, ma'am.
Boy? What is it?
A for alligator.
A for apple.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll remember that.
Here's pretty cool. No, it's not the box. It's the box. C is for car. Draw a cat. No. Yeah. I did. Now. Do the two? Yeah.
Hey, teacher. Please teach me now, teacher.
I coloring it.
What is your teacher doing, classmate?
Coloring balls. So see, then you're gonna draw a smile on it. That's sorry, teacher. Sorry. I promise. What's this boy?
That's B is for ball, teacher.
B is for baby. That's not correct. It's a ball. No laughing. And no unicorn. No. No.
Hey, classmate, do not disturb our teacher, classmate. Come here. Okay, teacher. Sorry, teacher. We're gonna listen to you now. Go ahead, teacher. What's our lesson for today?
What? Depoy? What is depoy? Duck. Depoy.
C is for cookie, cucumber, cocoa.
Cupcake. Cup. I got a coin. If you're not doing a good job, you put a coin on the board. No, circle. When you do good job, I'll put a coin on the board, but you did not listen. Only those are your mom's coins. Yeah. I just got 0. Yeah. Now what? Now what? The boy?
C. We're done with the letter C, teacher.
Now what is this? D is for dinosaur.
D is for Dharma.
D is for Dammy. No. D is for river dam. No, wait.
It's not right. What's D is for, teacher?
Go to the corner. Now go to the corner. Now go to the corner. Now.
I don't want to go to the corner. Teacher, please forgive me.
Okay. Okay. Now what? E is for egg.
E is for egg.
What? M. What?
F. F is for
M.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
I'm a lot of the Englishman.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
That's the corner.
I'm not gonna go to the corner. Teacher, not gonna go to the corner, teacher.
I am the teacher of Arendelle.
Are you the teacher of Aaron?
Yeah. I can deploy students. No. I can deploy students. No, I am the board.
Eyes on the
I am
board?
the teacher. I am saying on the board. No, I am on the board. I am the board. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. We love you, subscribers.